Welcome back to Primetime.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, after widespread criticism about its plans to give customers estimated bills, the chairman and acting CEO of the Jamaica Public Service JPS says the company submitted a proposal to the Office of Utilities Regulation for a 20% discount to customers who use 150 kilowatts of electricity or less for the month.
Now, the proposal will impact approximately 350,000 customers, while active prepaid customers will get a one-off $1,500 top-up electricity on their accounts. Now, the JPS says it will relax the collection process.
Now, payment plans are available on a case-by-case basis, and if bills are not paid by August 15, the power will be disconnected.
So, to the issue now of estimated bills, well, it appears the company will be going ahead with its plans.
Energy Minister Daryl Vaz addressed the issue in Parliament today.
Minister of Energy Daryl Vaz says his hands are tied and cannot prevent the Jamaica Public Service JPS giving customers estimated bills this month. The JPS wrote to the Office of Utilities Regulation to trigger the force majeure clause because of Hurricane Beryl. It prevents the company from meeting its obligations while not being held liable for breach of contract.
There must have been some kind of arrangement that could have been made to cushion and not come to a situation where the government is at odds with the JPS. It's not a good situation, but it is needed at this time, and I'm hoping that JPS will do the right thing, as we all make mistakes in life, and come with something for the JPS customers in the coming hours.
A $50 million disaster fund from taxes collected by the company is available to address situations like these. But according to Minister, the JPS only withdrew $5 million to help with preparation.
I don't know who took that decision, but I think that somebody must be held accountable for a decision like that in a time like this.
The minister has been chiding the opposition for agreeing to the arrangement when it signed its license in 2016. But according to former Energy Minister Philip Paulwell, the clause was inherited from the previous Jamaica Labour Party administration.
I became minister in January 2012, and those same terms are replicated in the 2016 license.
Still, Mr. Paulwell agrees the company should take another approach. The JPS said 95% of its customers now have power, but the members of parliament charged that hundreds of their constituents do not have light. The residents have resorted to violent protests. Minister Vaz says the demonstrations are doing more harm than good.
I have the utility provider requesting leave to avoid areas for fear of safety of their teams. These demonstrations will only serve to put your communities further down on the list for restoration by the JPS, as they will think their safety and that their teams are at risk.
Whenever people have roadblock and it's a JPS crew, they're the first one that they will let through. So tell them they don't have to worry about that. The people are wanting them to come.
A 3-day schedule is available on the JPS's website, which shows where work is expected to be done in each parish. Aside from St. Elizabeth, Hanover has the second highest power issue, with over 4,000 customers affected. Citizens are being urged to visit the website to view the tables. And where a community is not listed, the customer can report it. As for how the government plans to fix the issue of estimated bills in the future,
the JPS license comes up for renegotiation in 2027, and we must make sure as a country that any new license protects the people and not just the JPS.
Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.